I'm doing a review on the More Pilot Smart Wireless BBQ Meter Pro that you can use while you're smoking meats or anything in your smoker, your electric smoker or what have you. I am actually going to do this while I'm putting a meatloaf in my oven. As you can see, this right here is the object that you receive. It's the Smart Barbecue Thermometer. This is one of the 4 probes that comes with it. I actually have it inserted into the center right here of, let me see if I can turn it better, the center of the meatloaf. It's reading out 46 degrees. I downloaded the app onto my smartphone. Let me get my smartphone over where you can see it. I downloaded the app onto my smartphone. The app, I believe, is called Smart Barbecue Meter. I went in, let me get over here where I can show you what I did. This is the temperature, which matched what that said. Let me get this off my phone for you. And then, since this is meatloaf, I do want it to be all the way done in the middle of it as well, which is where I put the probe. So I hit this bottom one right here, and it gives you a list of the different types of meat there is. And I went into beef, and I went into well done, which is 170 degrees. And that's what I put, and that's going to set a timer for me that's going to go off. You can also go to the top button in the app as well, if you'd prefer, and just put in times. Like if you know it's going to take an hour, hour and 20 minutes at 375, you can do it that way as well. This particular meat thermometer comes with 4 of these probes. 4 of these probes, which is like the one I have inserted, and the cords on these are 4 foot long each. So you can monitor 4 different items that you're cooking at the same time. It's got, you can push these little buttons over here on the side. Say I had this plugged in. It's got 3 on each side. And to say I had this plugged into the different ones, I could push each different item, like number 2, number 3, number 4, and it would pull up the different items that I'm monitoring and the different temperatures that they are. And I could be up to 160 feet away, like sitting in my living room, watching TV, visiting with company, what have you. I wouldn't have to keep running in and checking my oven or hoping I hear the timer on it, or if I had it smoking out my smoker, you know, running out and checking that as well, especially if it's really hot out, or like right now where I'm at, it's 0 degrees. So I surely am not going to use my smoker right now. Anyway, I hope that you really enjoy this. The packaging was excellent. As you can see, this is the box that it came in. This actually came over the inner box that it was all packaged in, and there's directions on the back with temperature ranges, the power. It came with 2 batteries, 2 AA batteries. It'll give you 200 hours of life. You can actually do up to 6 probes, but it comes with 4, and then it alarms. And it does support iPhones, iPhone 4S, iPod Touch 5th generation, iPad Touch 5th generation, iPad 3rd generations and later models, all iPad minis, Android devices that are running version 4.3 or later, and with Bluetooth 4.0 module. I'm using an LG V10 and had absolutely no problem with it, and I've had my phone a couple of years. So I hope you really enjoy this. I know I'm going to, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. I got this off of Amazon, and thank you.